Hi guys, there is a question about the script that we have, and I have some virtual machines ready. Let's use the LTS kernel, and it's about get-chadwm. So on ArcoLinux we have a simple script that basically gets everything in. So this is fvwm3, okay, and I go to tty. Control F3, why? Because you can, right? Remember, that's a possibility in VirtualBox. Otherwise, it's Control Alt F2, F3. On Real Metal. And here we are, right? We are in our machine. I just want to show you get-chadwm is a script that Control C type update or update, that works as well. And make sure the three guys at the top there are available, right? ArcoLinux repo, repo third party, and extra large. Okay, if everything is the same, you have 6 repositories, then you type get-chadwm because it's gonna, well, install all the packages it's missing. So some of them he'll just jump over because it's already there. It's the green guys, and the brown guys are actually being installed. And now if I sudo reboot, let's take the first one now. 2 kernels here, right? Choose the one you like and remove the other one, just for time's sake. And let's combine it with another question now that I had. Sometimes when you install chadwm, I don't know why, right? You need to build it again. So let's first make sure that we go to nsddmk, right? Let's split it up. N from nano, SDDM for simple display manager, no, the D, 2 Ds. So manager, display manager, and the K because of the fact that it's going to a file called KDE underscore settings. So it wants to load up this one, and I'm gonna say no, next time around use chadwm as the default. X, yes, please. So reboot, right? So we immediately see our chadwm session. So a lot of combos already. Know where the file is, and sddmk, change it to whatever thing you want to auto log into. That's the thing. I like to auto log into desktops. Some people just like to have the sddm greeter and then do your thing, right? So I'm a kind of, yeah, like to have it immediately like this. So that's that. Now if chadwm doesn't work, super shift enter, or let's go for assuming that everything is black, then you go to Control Alt F1, F2, F3, go to TTY, right? And VirtualBox, Control F4, Control F3. But I have to be, yeah, there we are. Voila, voila, you log in. Unless we here, where is the code, the configuration to make the application? So chadwm does not load, does not work. Then we go to cd.config, it's hidden away, okay, ls cd arco chadwm, this one, ls. That's all kind of scripts, and the sexy hotkey daemon is there, the wallpapers, PyCam, etc. But there is another folder, cd chadwm, ls, and everything looks good. Yep, everything looks good. So maybe a make clean, maybe some things get removed, that's okay. Then just a make and a sudo make install, enter, right? Sudo has to be there because if you look at the lines down there, user local bin, right? You're writing things away to places where you need to be root, basically. That's it. So if this, well, I'm out of ideas, right? If this doesn't work, then you have to think maybe in direction of drivers, NVIDIA, and the settings of NVIDIA, maybe, right? But otherwise, normally chadwm will just boot up just fine. But of course, this is a virtual machine, so no NVIDIA available, present, thank God. So this is again the same thing, of course. It was working already, but it's built again. So the package is completely new. The application is new. Which ChadwM, right? There it is. I've made that right now in this video. So that's the thing. If ChadwM misbehave, does not fire, does not show up, right? Then you go to the .config Arco ChadwM, build it again. Sudo make clean make and sudo make install. All right, have fun.